7:30. We're late.
David, wake up! We overslept.
What time is it? Huh?
7:30. Our flight is at 10.
10? Oh no. Okay, let's move.
Anna, Peter, wake up. Time to go.
Mom. Just 5 more minutes.
No 5 minutes today. We're going to Costa Rica. We're going to Costa Rica.
Costa Rica? Jungle and monkeys? Yes. But only if we catch the plane. Okay, Mom. I'm ready. I'm up. Where's my yellow jacket?
It's in your drawer. And Peter, find your shoes, please.
I can't find them.
Here, little explorer. Your shoes are under your pillow again.
Oh, thanks to Dad.
Passports, tickets, chargers, snacks. Where are the snacks?
In the blue bag. And coffee for us?
Of course. No trip without coffee.
Mom, I packed my swimsuit and my favorite book.
Good job, sweetie. Peter, what about you?
I packed my toy car and my hat.
Only that? What about clothes?
Oh, right. Clothes too.
Maybe he's planning to live on the beach.
Not funny, David. We still have to call the taxi.
Already did. It'll be here in 10 minutes.
10 minutes? Oh no, I haven't brushed my hair yet.
Mom, you look fine.
Nice try, honey. But still comb time. Okay, checklist. Passports?
All set. We're ready.
What about the tickets?
We have the tickets.
Did you pack the snacks?
I packed the snacks.
Chargers?
I checked twice. We're good.
Perfect. We are ready.
Wait, my monkey toy.
Again? Where did you put it?
It is on the couch, Dad.
Got it. Let's go before we miss the flight.